We are pleased to show you the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, first aid kit, tachometer, leather shift knob. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.